Watch out! Watch out! Come on, bud. Get out of there. Come on. Watch that. Come on, buddy. Whoa. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, I get you. Come on. That was expected. He doesn't have long.
No, he's sure. He's probably hypothermic.
I'm amazed at that. Without sound.
Hey, up, hey. Come on, bud. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't go back in. Come on, help yourself. Come on. Almost.
I don't even know what's the number for 911 here.
911.
Okay, cool. Oh, here we go.
Come on, bud. Just come out. Come on. Come on.
Oh, he's coming.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, buddy. Let's go. Come on. He's coming. He's coming.
Come on.
Get
Come
that
on,
leg
just a little
up.
bit more, bud.
His back leg's up.
Come on. One more.
Go on. Take a rest. Take a rest. His back leg is out and has a log under it.
I know, this sucks. One more.
Okay.
Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on.
Watch out.
Come on, bud.
He's good. He's good. He's going. He's going. He's going. Run.
Here you go, buddy. I took everything we had, but we got him out. Our hands are all bruised from that cord. My arm's sore. Took a jab right in the leg from his antler. But he's free. He'll live.